Hello my friends, in this channel I'm going to show different kinds of agriculture type videos like as harvest, cultivation, farming and fruit and vegetable processing. Today I'm going to show European agriculture. Let's start. The Europe is one of the countries with the largest agriculture. In today's video, we will visit some farms in Europe to see how these farmers are doing harvest thousands of tons of fruit and veggies. In this video, the first location we will see is a cucumber farm in the German state of Bavaria. This equipment is used by some people, both men and women, to pick millions of cucumbers. This is a very unique method of cucumber picking that is not practiced in cucumber fields in the United States. After picking, millions of cucumber will be transported. The conveyor system to the truck's trunk. Currently about 6,000 acres of agricultural land are unlisted in Germany. Bavaria is one of the countries that cultivate cucumbers. With an annual harvest of about 261,000 tons, the foreign state responsible for 35% of the country's production of cucumbers. Next, we will visit a French sweet cornfield to observe how the harvesting of hundreds of unlike other sweet corn farms in the United States. This one has loads of sweet corn. Statistics show that in France, harvesting is done by machines as opposed to hiring a foreign workers. After 56,000 acres of French farmland will be used to make sweets in 2023. After Hungary, this country has the second largest acres of sweet corn in all of the Europe. Production of French sweet corn has stayed at 183 in recent years, 2,000 tons, which is more than 7 times as much as sweet corn as the production of Europe. European farmers harvested millions of ears of sweet corn are filled into truckloads before being shipped to a processing plant. Right now, up to 82% of French sweet corn is converted into canned sweet corn. This is what some cabbage farmers in the Netherlands are experiencing right now. In the Netherlands, harvesting is also carried out manually by thousands of carriages and dozens of people. These conveyor systems, cutting and transferring of material into containers, will take place. The amount of cabbage harvested here is comparable to the number of millions of harvested in Arizona, United States. Every year, thousands of workers are needed between the system of September and November. Flock of the Netherlands cabbage farm to work. These workers typically work 6 hours a day for an hourly wage of roughly $36. This new Dutch harvesting method is being used in another cabbage field. Cabbages will be dug up using a machine, and then the cabbage root will additionally immediately switched off in 2021. Before their move to the truck, Netherlands has approximately 1,000 acres of farmland are used for growing cabbage, with a yield of about 61 tons. The sixth place in this video is a farm in the France where peas are being grown. This modern machine will cut billions of pea plants here. After cutting his, peas will be transported to the machine's trunk area. After the machine separates the system, billions of peas are moved from the harvesters after being picked. Storage tank to the trunker's container, then to the processing facility. France will produce over 24,000 acres of peas in 2021, with a yield of about 255 tons, with 13 million tons now produced. China is the world's largest producer of peas, with 5.4 million tons. India came in second, and the United States came in the third with 27 tons. What's happening in the Serbian plum farm is described here. It takes quite a while to pick up plums here, similar to how California harvests pistachones of almonds and machine. We used to firmly shake a plum tree while holding it, cause thousands of plums to fall. The task of these individuals is then to move thousands of plums to plastic yard. In 2021, workers will remove some of the leaves that were mixed in with the plums. Serbia has over 72,000 acres under cultivation, with the current production of 713,000 tons, with 6.6 million tons produced annually. China leads the globe in the production of plum, followed by the United States. It is one of the nations with the largest plum production in the world, with 265,000 tons produced a year. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.